Hey everyone, it's great to see you here. Today, I'll be sharing my top 5 coffee home remedies for glowing skin and more. Coffee isn't just for your morning boost. It's a versatile ingredient that can do wonders for your skincare routine. So, grab your favorite cup of joe and let's dive in. First up, we have the classic coffee face scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground coffee with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Massage it into your skin in circular motions for a couple of minutes. The coffee grounds exfoliate dead skin cells, while the coconut oil moisturizes, leaving your skin soft and radiant. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Do this once or twice a week for best results. Next, let's talk about the coffee under-eye mask. Combine 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds with a teaspoon of honey. Apply the mixture under your eyes and let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. The caffeine in the coffee helps reduce puffiness and dark circles, while honey hydrates and soothes the skin. Gently rinse off and say hello to brighter eyes. Moving on to our third remedy, the coffee and yogurt face mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply a thin layer to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. This mask is great for tightening pores and brightening your complexion. The lactic acid in yogurt gently exfoliates, while coffee enhances blood circulation. Rinse with lukewarm water and enjoy your refreshed skin. For the fourth remedy, try the coffee lip scrub. Blend half a teaspoon of ground coffee with half a teaspoon of honey and a pinch of cinnamon. Gently rub the mixture on your lips for about a minute. This scrub helps remove dead skin, leaving your lips smooth and plump. Rinse and apply your favorite lip balm for extra hydration. Finally, let's not forget about our hair. A coffee hair rinse can add shine and depth to your locks. Brew a strong cup of coffee and let it cool. After shampooing, pour the coffee over your hair and let it sit for 10-15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with water. The coffee not only enhances your hair color but also promotes hair growth by stimulating the scalp. So there you have it, my top 5 coffee home remedies for glowing skin and more. These simple, natural remedies are easy to make and will have you looking and feeling your best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome home remedies and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.